Welcome to InvestoSphere, the channel where your journey to financial freedom begins. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been quietly building fortunes for everyday people around the world. How to start a profitable blog from scratch. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, long-term passive income, or a full-time digital career, blogging can be your gateway. But here's the catch. Most people give up too soon. They don't see results quickly, they pick the wrong niche, or they write content that no one ever finds. In this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know to start your blog the right way, build an audience, and turn that traffic into profit. No fluff, no hype, just a clear, step-by-step breakdown that anyone can follow, even with zero experience. So if you've ever dreamed of making money online, stick around, because this might be the turning point. Number 1, why blogging still works in 2025. Many people think blogging is dead, but the truth is it's simply evolved. In 2025, blogs are more powerful than ever, especially with tools like AI, SEO automation, and content marketing strategies that were once only available to big corporations. People still Google questions, and blogs still show up with answers. If your content provides value and is optimized correctly, you can attract thousands, even millions, of views over time. Blogging also gives you complete control over your brand, voice, and monetization strategy. Unlike social media platforms, you're not at the mercy of an algorithm. You own your traffic, you own your email list, and you own your business. Number 2, choosing the right niche. Picking the wrong niche is one of the biggest mistakes new bloggers make. Don't just write about your favorite hobby. Pick a niche that checks 3 boxes. You're genuinely interested in it. There's proven demand. People are searching for it. There's money to be made through affiliate marketing, courses, or digital products. Some evergreen niches in 2025 include personal finance, health and wellness, online business and tech, parenting and relationships, productivity and self-improvement. Use tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest to validate demand. Number 3, setting up your blog. To build a blog from scratch, follow these foundational steps. 1, domain name and hosting. Pick a domain name that is easy to remember, brandable, and relevant to your niche. Use services like Namecheap or GoDaddy. For hosting, use reliable providers like Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger. 2, WordPress setup. Install WordPress. It's free, beginner-friendly, and powers more than 40% of the websites on the internet. Use a clean, fast-loading theme like Astra or GeneratePress. 3, essential plugins. Rank Math or Yoast SEO. WP Rocket for speed optimization. Elementor or Cadence blocks for page design. Updraft Plus for automatic backups. 4, basic pages to set up. Home, about, contact, privacy policy, blog archive. Number 4, writing high-quality, SEO-optimized content. This is the heart of your blog. Your content needs to be keyword-rich but natural, valuable with clear solutions, skimmable with headings and bullet points, optimized with internal and external links. Use tools like Surfer SEO, Jasper for writing assistance, and Grammarly to polish your posts. Focus on long-form, evergreen content. Your blog is not a diary, it's a solution hub. Number 5, getting traffic to your blog. No traffic means no money. Here's how to drive consistent traffic. 1, SEO, search engine optimization. Use keyword research tools to find low competition, high search volume phrases. Optimize titles, meta descriptions, and headers. Write in-depth content that fully satisfies the user's search intent. 2, Pinterest marketing. Pinterest is still a hidden gem. Create beautiful pins linking back to your blog. Use Tailwind to schedule and automate. 3, social media channels. Create accounts on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram to build your audience. Share content in niche communities and forums. 4. Email list building. Start collecting emails from day one. Offer a freebie like a checklist, mini course, or guide. Use ConvertKit, MailerLite, or System.io. Number 6. Monetizing your blog. Here are the top ways bloggers are earning income in 2025. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission. Use platforms like ShareASale, Impact, Amazon Associates, and independent programs. 2. Display ads. Apply to networks like Mediavine or Ezoic once you hit decent traffic. 3. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, online courses, or toolkits. 4. Sponsor posts. Partner with brands who want exposure to your audience. Be selective and only promote what fits your niche. 5. Coaching and consulting. Once you've built authority, offer one-on-one coaching or group programs. Number 7. Scaling your blog into a passive income machine. Once your blog is established, it's time to scale. Outsource content to freelance writers. Automate emails and funnels. Create a product suite. Build systems that run even when you're offline. Think of your blog as a business. Track metrics. Set goals. Improve conversions. You're not just writing, you're building an online asset. Common mistakes to avoid. Expecting overnight success. Ignoring SEO fundamentals. Not building an email list. Choosing quantity over quality. Giving up too soon. Blogging takes time, but the rewards are incredible. If you stay consistent, keep learning, and provide real value, it will pay off. If you've made it this far, you're serious about changing your life. And that's exactly the kind of mindset that successful bloggers have. We covered everything from choosing the right niche and setting up your blog to writing optimized content, growing your traffic, and monetizing for long-term income. Now it's time to act. Don't let perfection stop you. Start messy if you have to. Just start. If you found value in this video, please subscribe to InvestoSphere, where we turn digital strategies into real income. Like this video, share it with someone who dreams of financial freedom, and drop a comment below telling us, what niche would you start a blog in? And here's a question for you to think about. If your blog took off in the next 6 months and replaced your 9-to-5 income, how would your life change? We'd love to hear your answer. Until next time, keep building your dreams, one blog post at a time.